now look at this shit. I used that pulley puller and got the pulley on. Looks like she runs pretty straight there. Yep. So all I got to do now is put them 4 bolts back in that van. Put the AC pulley unit back on. Connect the AC lines. Put the serpentine belt back on. Holy shit, this project's almost done. Check this shit out. Wow. I know, I just might be a fucking closet mechanic. Ouch. I just hit my fucking head. But anyhow, yeah, I'm actually getting somewhere. How about that shit?
Oh.
Hey, look who just came out to visit.
Hey,
what?
I'm trying to get on there, and apparently I don't have an account.
Oh, apparently not.
But I can see the one, but I can't like it or anything.
Yeah. Well, I was trying to set the camera up there. So maybe you can see a little something. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh. Yeah, right there, that's good. Anyhow. Oh shit. Oh, there it is. Anyhow, I'm hooking the AC lines back up because the old lady's a sissy. She's got to have AC. But since I disconnected these lines, it did a little psh noise, so I think she lost all her coolant, or yeah, Freon or whatever. Oh well, that could be charged. And there we go. The AC line's back on. Now it's putting the 4 bolts back in that fan. Putting the serpentine belt back on. And putting the fan guard back on. The air filter box. And the air filter. Yay.